MLII-103. Remember that it's 103 is your it is ICT, fundamentals and others. It's ICT, information communication technology. What's the difference between ICT and IT? IT, everybody is doing. Okay, so used to say that it is a information technology. And ICT, because communication plays a very important role. That's why the IT is renamed as ICT, that is information communication technology. We will try to cover, and some limitation is there because DOS command, we are not able to, it is there. But Windows 10, it is there, and difficult to practice because that command is not available there. Then we'll talk about Windows operating system, WS operating system, and we'll also talk about different that is work on networking, about this in computer networking. Let's see. You are able to see this one screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ACC fundamentals of ICT, and you see what is the acquaintance with the different parts of computer and tele used for networking. As somebody has joined. Oh, one pending admit. Okay. 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 That is acquaintance. I think it's very. If it will not come timely, this problem is there. Every time if you speak something, somebody will come and join. Now, how many are there? 38. Okay. This is I don't know why are you so late. Okay, nobody is there. I think now it has gone to 39. And there are 7, 8 people or 12 people will come. So 30% time will go for acquaintance with the different parts of the computer and telecommunication technology used for the networking. Then various images command, the TLC, and various function of Windows operating systems. This is the for within this class. Okay. Then first, come to parts of a computer. Actually, here is one video available. Just watch it. Then we'll discuss about different parts of computer. We will talk about the different parts. Monitor is there. Then the keyboard is there. Mouse is there. Then the CPU is there. Then so many others. There is a variety of printers is available. Then a variety of storage also available. And all, I think some basic idea you have to take it. And able to see this video, then you have to inform me. अरे साइलेंट प्लीज, साइलेंट एक्चुअली म्यूट कर दियो. Okay, that different parts of computer is a basic is there minimum thing, and actually NCRT course. I've just gone through it NCRT course. I like this one. Then I thought of I will share you. Did I mean apart from that, so many other application is there. but with there are different tools and your use also. Due to a sort of time, we will not discuss. Then you will simply will go to that telecommunication technology used for the networking, and I think all are able to hear properly now. Today,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
we'll carry it. No problem.
yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
So, which is, sir.
Sir, video sound ଶୁଭୁନି।
Sound ଆସୁନି?
ନାଇଁ sir।
Hello.
ନାଇଁ sir
Sir,
ଆସୁନି।
Okay.
sound ଆସୁନି।
Okay. Then we'll see the subject. It was coming last time ahead. Okay. Okay, and you jump to now to say the Windows 10 guideline. And then it will guide you this window operating system, WS, and that minimum what is required. 1 minute, I'll check it. The sound is coming, Asuji.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Eh?
No,
ନାଇଁ
sir.
sir।
Yes, sir.
Asuni.
Rasoni.
Sir, mute ଅଛି classroom thing ଅଛି।
ନାଇଁ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ତ ଦିଆ ହେଇଛି ସବୁ କୋଉଠି ମ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ବି ଶୁଣି ପାରୁଛି ତମ ପଟେ
ଆମ
ମ୍ୟୁଟ୍
ପାଖରେ ତ
କରିଦେଇଛ
ଆସୁନି।
କି
ନାଇଁ sir।
ଏବେ ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ
Sir,
ଆସୁଛି।
ମୋର ଆସୁଛି
ଏ ସାର୍ ଏବେ ଆସୁଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ।
Sir, ଆପଣଙ୍କ sound ଆସୁଛି।
କଣ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଆସୁଛି? ଭିଡିଓରେ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଆସୁନି।
ଭିଡିଓ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଆସୁନି
ନା ସାର୍।
No, sir.
No, sir.
sir ଆର classroom 3 ଟା mute ଅଛି।
ସେଟା mute।
ଏ କ୍ଲାସରୁମ୍
PRC mute ଅଛି।
এটা তো ଲାଇଭ୍ ଆସୁଛି ଏଟା ମ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ଅଛି ତ ମ୍ୟୁଟ୍ କାଇଁ ଆସିଲା ଏବେ ମୋ ଭଏସ୍ ଆସୁଛି ତ
Yes,
ହଁ
sir.
Yes, sir. ଆପଣଙ୍କ voice
ପିକ୍ଚର ଆସୁଛି ଭଏସ୍ ଆସୁଛି ସବୁ ଆସୁଛି
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ଦେଖିଆ ମୁଁ just
ଆପଣ
check
କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ
କରୁଛି।
କରନ୍ତୁ।
Sharing ঠিক আছে one minute ମୋ ସ୍କ୍ରିନ୍ ଆସୁଛି କ୍ଲିୟର ସ୍କ୍ରିନ୍
Yes, sir.
ଆସୁଛି
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Sound ଆସୁଛି?
No, sir.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍
ଟିକେ ଟିକେ ଆସୁଛି।
You are able to hear?
No, sir.
So just only here.
No, sir.
Video sound.
Sir, actually sound clear ଆସୁନି sir.
ଭିଡିଓ ବି ଦେଖାଯାଉନି।
Video sound ତ ଆସୁନି sir.
ଭିଡିଓ ଆସୁଛି, ଭିଡିଓ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଆସୁନି।
ହଁ,
ସେଟା
sir.
Video sound ଆପଣ mute କରି ରଖିଛନ୍ତି।
mute show ଦେଖୁଛି।
Classroom 3 mute ହୋଇଛି sir.
Class 3 ଆର ସେ mute show କରୁଛି।
Sir mute unmute କରନ୍ତୁ sir.
କ୍ଲାସରୁମ୍ ତ ମ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ଅଛି, ଏଇଟା
ସାର୍ ଆପଣ କୁଆଡେ ପଳେଇ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି?
ହଁ ସେ ଆସିଯିବେ ଏ ଆସିଯିବେ ଯେ ସେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ। Presenting stop sharing ଠିକ ତ ଅଛି। Not coming ଆସୁନି?
ନା ସାର୍।
ସାର୍
Video sound ଆସୁନି।
ହଁ ଫାଷ୍ଟରେ ଆସିଥିଲେ?
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍।
ପ୍ରଥମଟାର
ଫାଷ୍ଟରୁ ହିଁ ଆସୁନି ସାର୍।
ସାର୍ ଆସୁନି।
ତ ଆସୁନି
ଏଇ ପାର୍ଟସ ଅଫ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ବି ଆସିନଥିଲା?
ନା ନାଇଁ ସାର୍।
ନା
ନାଇଁ
ସାର୍।
ସାର୍।
ଓହୋ ଏଠି ବି ଆସୁନି?
ନା
ନା
ସାର୍।
ସାର୍ କେବଳ କହୁଛି।
Sir actually sir mute ହେଇଛି sir mute ହେଇଛି unmute କରନ୍ତୁ sir ଆସିଯିବ।
ସାର୍ ଆପଣ
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା
କ୍ଲାସ
ଅନ୍ କରି
3 ଟା
ହଉନି।
ଆପଣ ମ୍ୟୁଟ ଅଛି।
ଶୁଣ
ସେଟା
ତାମାନେ
mute show
ସେଠି
କରୁଛି।
ସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଲି କିଏ କରିଦେଇଛି? ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ଅଛି ମ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ଅଛି, ଏଠି ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଠିକ ଅଛି। କ୍ଲାସରୁମ୍ MLII-103 ସେ ଠିକ ଅଛି। Copy your presenting. Maybe I think somebody
ଇକୋ ହଉଛି ସାର୍। ସାର୍ ଆପଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଭିଡିଓ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ହଁ ଓକେ ଠିକ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିଦଉଛି। Okay, now you are able to see the screen. Hello?
Yes
Yes,
sir,
sir.
yes sir.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Actually, this is Windows 10. Windows 10, but here, suppose you want to go to that command prompt. How you will go to command prompt? Tell me. Anybody is knowing how to go to command prompt?
Yes, sir.
Tell me how will go.
Just click on tax button and on menu.
It could be nowhere mentioned.
Run.
What is run? Run is not here. Hey, go to run. Hey, press. There is no run.
Command prompt.
There is no command prompt also. You are not using that. There is no command prompt.
Oh, it is Windows 10.
Sir control plus shift plus enter.
Control?
Plus shift.
Tell me.
Control plus shift plus enter.
Control plus shift. Control shift. One minute. Control
Enter.
shift. Enter. Nothing is coming. Okay.
Windows R. Windows key and R. Plus R.
Windows key. Windows
Plus R.
key. Now that is also not a command. Windows X, that is a possibility. It has come. Okay, but there is no command prompt written here.
Run.
It is also available here. If you go to down, there is a window that a PowerShell is there. Okay, it is window PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, and window PowerShell. There's so many window PowerShell is there here, and if you that is window and window and X. Suppose window plus X, and key is coming here. If you see, that is window PowerShell. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Able to see it? Eh? It's all right.
Yes, sir.
Eh? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm putting that CD /1 command is there. It's coming here. I put dir. It's showing something. But what happened? It is a very limited command, and the command is a very limited command will function, and it's a minimum function. You should know it. That is cd / date.
Time, volume, version.
/ then I have to put 1 minute. Somebody has joined now. I don't know why it's 1 minute. Yes. Okay. Okay. So that is cd / then let us say India, then / Odisha, let's / Bhubaneswar. That means you are in available Bhubaneswar folder. Bhubaneswar folder, some information is there. You can just check called path. After that path, then there is a command is called copycon. What is copycon? Mean copy console. If you copy con, file name will give it. One file will be created, and whatever you type on the thing console, you will type and save by. That is F. Shape is F5, F6. F6. If you put it in this step, otherwise Control Z. If you put the end with that matter with the Control Z, and same matter will be say whatever you are typing. It is, but this command will not work here. Up to Windows 7, I think most of the commands are working. 10 they are not given. And now is question why you want to launch CD command at present? Anybody idea is there? Why you want to launch CD command? Why it is there in course? You tell me.
Because it change directory.
And you see that directory also it is there everything in your Windows. Why should you launch DOS command? Which is required. Is it required?
Yes, sir. Required.
Yes, sir. Request.
Tell me. Why?
Yes, sir. Sir, it is a command line interpreter application.
That is there, but you need it that one. If you need it, when you need it.
It is a Windows operating. It is a Windows operating system.
It's a Windows operating system. WS is there, and always you are opening and not a single day. I think you are suppose computer you are knowing last 4-5 years. How many times you are used DOS? So I think very rarely you are using. But why should you learn it? Because it's actually it is a basic things. So sometimes what happens, no? While your maintenance of your computer, DOS prompt is required. Suppose you don't know, then you're not able to run it your DOS prompt. Suppose I want virus purpose or other thing, you want to clean it, then the system will ask, okay, you go to DOS front and do this job. You are unable to do it. Apart from that, some so loading of software or other things, some environment you want to change it, DOS front are also required. And some minimum environment if you run it, or a computer maintenance, again DOS command is so many purpose. It may need it so that it should be acquainted with the DOS front. For future, if you get any problem, at least you learn you are able to solve your problem. Say some basic dot command is required. There is a command is called that. There is a command also there for sorting. Means you can data also you can sort it. Is that your inside file data is there? There is sort command if you use it. Suppose I am your file. I have written all the capitals I have written. Then there is a task will come. If you sorted all the matter by using the DOS command. If you put the DOS command, there is sort command. Whatever inside matter is there, it will be sorted. So many. Also can modify. There is a edit command is there. Edit command, there is a edit text editor is there. It will come and you can delete a file, correct a file, everything, or editing work you can possible. So that is the reason only you need a DOS command. For the DOS command, suppose I have an action. I want to work which is 10 DOS command is there. I will put on a file and all the 10 job will do at a one stroke. It's also possible. For that you have to make a batch file. Remember that batch file. Batch file is important. Suppose there are some 10, 15 jobs you have to do at a stroke. So you make a batch file, then it will be all your job will be done with a one stroke. For that, what you have to do? You have to open a network. Silence, please. I think some noise is coming. Just mute your phone. I'm not able to hear you. Please. I think some sound is coming. Please. It's very difficult to say, friends. Please switch off. Mute your sound. I think your voice also coming. So what you have to do that making a batch file. Remember that in actually DOS, batch file is most important. Batch file. Batch file will do the job at a stroke some 10, 15 times. For example, how to do it? So first your notepad. Notepad. Somebody now only join or left 1 minute. I think that's a seat. I think now it's already 1 hour. Okay. So I will tell you that is a notepad. Here is a 1 minute notepad is there.
बाकी मैंने समझ साइलेंट ना तू
ठीक है साइलेंस पिला सुगुने पिला somebody sound as disturbance okay, this is I have opened a notepad. Then I have to write a command. Let us say the minimum command, when your dot command is there, or some I think it will be in some directory, C:/ some folder name, directory name, something. So to clean it, then I have to type it CD. I have to put a reverse slash. Then what will happen here? It will bring to your root. Okay, here I just want to write one command that is called mkdir India. That means it will make directory. One command is that. It will design your India directory. Then I come here. So it created how to enter in there. So that is CD. Either you have to space or slash. You have to put it. This you have to put it India. You are entering Indian folder. Okay, you are entering Indian folder. There again I have to type mkdir Odisha. And how to enter it? Again, I'll put it to CD Odisha. So Odisha. So it will, now you are in Odisha directory. Again, I want to go to another mkdir space Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar. So how to enter it again? CD Bhubaneswar. And here I want to copy a file. So how to copy a? Copy one command is there. Copy. You see, DOS is not a matter whether it's capital or small letter, that command will take care. So copy, I have to give the file name. If you copy a file name, I have to should mention because I am in city Bhubaneswar and Bhubaneswar is a new directory. The third subdirectory, the main directory is India. The subdirectory is the Odisha. Then sub-directory of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Now, I am enter CD Bhubaneswar means my cursor in enter to Bhubaneswar. Now how to copy? How will copy it? But I have to copy C:/ there is a data file is there, data folder, under data folder, there is a MLIS file is there. I want to copy it. So this will copy. Okay. MLI file dot txt. That file is there. Where it will copy? Because this is called the source file. When a source is C:/data/ the file name. So where it will copy to where? Target. Target means here through this command I reach to CD. CD Bhubaneswar means subdirectory Bhubaneswar. So this same file will copy here. 1 minute, somebody has come. So this will copy here. So this is a target. Yeah, this is a source and target is Bhubaneswar. So it will copy to Bhubaneswar. Suppose I want to rename this file. So there is a command is ren. Ren means rename. Rename MLIS.txt to txt to BLIS.txt. Okay. Actually, my cursor, what you are seeing here, my cursor is there in Bhubaneswar directory. So whatever file copied it here, same thing is rename at missing. If I say copy, sorry. Copy BLIS dot txt to MLIS silence txt. Okay. if I save it, let us say I will save it. File, save as, desktop. TXT is there. We will not put TXT. This is a text command. I will negate. I'll do all files. I'll put the MLS, MLS dot bat. Save. So this is, a minute, somebody joined again. Admit. Okay, this file is saved as a base file. I don't know, it may not work here because all the DOS command is not there, but still, okay, we'll run it. How to run it? This is saved, bat file. I see there is two wheel has come. It indicates that the file is, it will work still. Just I'll put it in double click it. Okay, just I'll put it in double click. That means it is that function you made it. We will see. Now we'll first all the dir. And if India is there, no, that means it's not working. It's not working. It's not working, the batch file. But generally, this, okay. Okay. Now we'll see here, dir again. Let's see, India has come here. Okay. You say, okay, India has come. Then how to go to India? The India directory. Then under India, Odisha have created. Let's see, Odisha has to come. Then under that, Bhubaneswar is there. That's a Bhubaneswar has come. But here, that file should be there, but it is not there. This is empty. It's empty. Why is empty? We given the direction, but file is not there. So file I have to store it then only. So how to store a file there? So I have to create a file, data file. That direction, remember that here we are given the data. Then there is a file called MLS text. So I have to create a data under C. So I have to go to C. I'll go, then CD. Here another thing. Here dot command you can CD dot. You see, you come down to Odisha. If you put it as CD dot, another step will come. If you put it CD slash, it simply it will bring to root. C prompt means it is a root. There is a command called CLS, clear the screen. Okay. So mkdir I have created. Then I have to create a data, one folder. Data is created. So I have to enter in data, CD data, that file CD data, I have to enter. You see CD data has come. If you put a dir, no file is there. No file is there. So I have to keep one file there. Some text file you give, that name is, it should be that MLIS. Okay. I have a CD data. Then I will go to that is C prompt. C prompt. Okay. C prompt. Then there is a C prompt here. There is a data is there. I can open it here. I can.
Sir,
listen.
sir, अच्छे से सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है.
Oh, my voice is not coming.
Yeah, sir, it's not audible.
Audible means your voice is coming, means my voice is not coming. How did? No, nobody is able to hear my voice. Hello. I
Yes,
think
sir. Yes,
something
sir.
wrong.
Yes, sir.
Sir, able to voice, sir.
Able.
I think, sir, the individual is network problem.
It is individual network. When their voice is coming nicely to me, why my voice is not reaching to you? Just maybe in it. Just check it. Yeah, I think my end is all right now. Okay, now coming to new, then I have to create a file. Okay, let us say text file. Text document means text file created. The name I am putting it here, that is MLIS.txt. Okay, txt given. MLIS means automatically it's a txt file. It's a txt file. How will you know it? Properties. You see, it's a txt file. Txt file is the extension. It's not a problem. So this file is there already. Now what I have to do here, file is created. Again, this one I will run it. Now I say run it. Okay. Now come to DOS command. DOS means cd slash root is there. Then I have to go to Bhubaneswar. No, cd reverse slash India reverse slash Odisha reverse slash Odisha, then reverse slash Bhubaneswar. That okay, I'm there now. Okay. Oh, I think it's not taken. So I have to go. Why this command is anywhere mistake? No. Okay. CD India. Now India has come. CD Odisha. And CD Bhubaneswar. Now I have to see now directory. Any file is there or not? You see. There is a file is there, BLIS.txt. Okay. BLIS.txt. This file is there. But what is the command you put it here? Here, MLS, rename MLS here to this one. But here, I try to copy, which after BLS, it should be again MLS.txt. This function is not worked. Why it is not worked? Because here city Bhubaneswar is there, copy this thing, then copy BLS to there is a mistake is there. I put to that save. Okay, now check it. We'll see. Here's a command. Open. Alright, all function is there. Now bring to here. Now you put it dir. Okay, both the files are there. One file BLIS is we got it. That is rename it, and same file I will copy as MLIS. Okay. Hello, everybody got it?
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody got this? That is
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, ଗୋଟେ ଥର ରିପିଟ୍ କରିବେ କି ବୁଝା ପଡିଲାନି?
ବୁଝା ପଡିଲାନି କଣ ଏଠି କମାଣ୍ଡ ଗୁରା ଅଛି ये कमांड मु आटे स्ट्रोक रे काम कली ताकू कौन कली गोटे बैच फाइल कली बैच फाइल टाकू रन कला को ये कमांड सब काम कला एटा केतेटा कमांड अछि 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 टा 12 टा 11 टा 12 तो 11 टा 12 टा कमांड आटे स्ट्रोक रे काम कला दिस इज कॉल्ड बैच फंक्शन और बैच फाइल गोटे पिला एबे आसुची ओहो एरा ताकू बैच फाइल करके हमें फंक्शन कले बैच फाइल ला कोन किछि कर परिबा जे आर्टिस्ट रे माने गोटे कमांड रे तमनी मु केतरा कमांड यूज करले देखिलो एटी cd स्लैश रो आरंभ करले cd स्लैश रे सइला इट इज अ बैच फंक्शन ये सेल ला सबोरा बैच फंक्शन डॉस रे काम करले दैट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट वन माने फाइल केमति तैयार करिवो कॉपी करिवो ये करिवो सेटा चेति तबे हमें सेठी मैनुअल जिबा देखिया किन फोल्डर रहउची हमें जदि विंडोज रे जिबा विंडोज रे तमे ताको सी की जीवो सी रे देखो इंडिया थीवो सी आसला सी को आसला एटा गोटे इंडिया फोल्डर थिबो सी इंडिया फोल्डर अच्छी देखिल এটা আমি তো এটি করি না ডস কমান্ডে ক্রিয়েট করছি ইন্ডিয়া ফর্মেশন ইন্ডিয়া অন্ডারে ওড়িশা থিব ওড়িশা অন্ডারে ভুবনেশ্বর থিব ভুবনেশ্বর অন্ডারে এই দুইটা ফাইল থিব ক্লোজ করিবা any question
Yes, sir.
any doubt tell me कार डाउट अच्छी पिले
हेलो
हाँ डाउट अच्छी किछि हाँ हाँ
सर हम 10 कमांड सर काहे कि हम यूज करबा हमर कोन आवश्यकता अछि
सेटा स्टार्टिंग रे कहले जे तमे कोन करछो 10 कमांड टा मन कर 5 वर्ष ला कंप्यूटर सिखिरनी केथे थर 10 कमांड यूज करछो भेरी माने माने बहुत कमी थर माने जोटा कि तम गणा हुए नहीं तेना हमें काहे कि सिखिबा तेनु कोन छि तम कोर्स रे दिया है कोर्स दे जने किछि भाबी चिंती कि देथिबे माने काहे सुनो इसे एक्चुअली गोटे तम जतले हमें कमांडर सिखुचे तम फंडामेंटल क्लियर होबो एक
प्लीज इन इंग्लिश
हां हेलो टेल मी okay is actually clear your doubt and other thing means how that you can interact with the pc command because see there your windows is there and windows that is a menu driven and you are selecting and doing the function here you giving command and work is coming out that is some interaction will be there with your pc sometimes what happen no for computer maintenance purpose sometimes yes computer is corrupted other thing the instruction they will go okay you go to that command prompt do this job suppose you don't know how to open we see Windows 10 has come many people are not knowing how to open the DOS command it's not there like you also morning I struggle because I am nowadays I am not using it so I was checking what is that DOS command I was then after searching only I got it this cell that is cell there only I got this DOS command and it is restricted. Most of the function is not only some basic function is working. There are hundreds of DOS commands there, but we are not able to do all these things. So that first is it will help you for computer maintenance. Second thing that interaction to PC means suppose you and your PC, how you're doing a command and the system is doing the job. That way also you actually be acquainted. Like that, it will be helpful in many ways, but it frequently is not required. Because whenever you go deep and deep, then only you feel okay. DOS command I should know it is required. Like that, DOS the batch file. Sometimes suppose you are entering here, professor. Sometimes it's you have to install one software, your professional software. You want to enter it. For that, so many commands is there. All together, you can put a batch file and run it. Your software at one stroke, your software will be installed. Okay, that is the reason we are running the DOS command. Any other question?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any other
Thank you,
question?
sir.
Okay, then we'll close. We'll go to next.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to network. Network. That is a command. Suppose let us say, you see, your screen has gone now. Suppose I will command is there ping. The ping one command it has collected from the ping pong, tennis ball, ping pong, ping.
Sir.
Google.co.in. Let's see what is happening. Okay, what is happening? It is a Google reply dochi. I am sending a message whether my network is there or not, whether I am able to connect to Google or not. Through this command, I am notice it. It is this command. My message has gone to Google server. That IP address is this, and replying it means that 4 replies giving. Suppose I will give the continuous reply if I have put it. So same command I have to put it. Then you have to do it -t. What it happened? Just see -t. Enter it. Okay. Then I want to promote. It will continuously. It will reply. That means unbreakable service, network service. I am having with my laptop so that I am able to connect Google. How to come out? Control C means come out. Control C means how to come out. Okay. Then I'm putting the CLS. So it is going. That means my laptop net is available. I'm able to connect the internet. Network is available. Suppose you see earlier, this command is very, very useful for management. Suppose there is software is not there that time. Suppose whenever I was working with the network, I had been to Delhi. So how can I know my PC is working, my server is working or not? My particularly server. Servers are many servers are there. You say what is the health they are working. So just I give a ping command and this that IP address. Or just reach, I will give you suppose let us say ping immt.res.in. So I'm giving, let's see. So this only I know, okay, my server is perfectly working. Because never used to put up our server. It is always 24 hours on. So that is the reason only we can know the health, minimum health. Okay, my server is working perfectly. If it's not giving reply, so that way you can know, see, this is my IP address. 14.139.221 is my IP address. There is a mask is there. This is not the perfect IP address because if you know the perfect IP address, somebody may hack. So that's why I think this is something. This is not real IP address. It's a mask they're putting it. This is showing as a public IP address, but actually it is a private IP address. The mask is there, so that is it will, public will know. Okay, this is IP address, but this is not our real IP address. Okay, the ping command is there. So ping, many things you can do it by taking. Anyway, suppose let us say I put it ping yahoo.com. Able to reply. Okay. Like that you can check by ping command or the. Suppose your computer name, I don't know, it is a computer. This computer name is Dell. I think she has, my daughter has not given the name. So I can ping my Dell. Is there or not, I don't know. But ping Dell is coming. No. So I have to see the name. Then I have to ping it, minimize it. PC, properties. What is the computer name? Just CC it is given. Computer name is this, full computer name is this. This is the computer name. Okay. Desktop. Desktop, this one. Desktop hyphen number, I am not able to remember. Okay. Just put a print screen. Print screen. Put it to Word. Word. हाँ हेलो हाँ किए कहते बाबा पर कहबे ओबे क्लास चलचे है ना आउट ऑफ हाँ हेलो एक बढ़े दिया ओके नाउ आई कैन चेक इट बंद कर दिया then DOS command DOS command minimize कर दियो, इठी लिखा ping desktop FN 5A6 FE BOG. Okay, I'll put it now. Now enter it. Ping request could not find host. Oh, it's not getting the host. Okay, not coming. So whenever you will not get anything, it will not reply you. Remember that it will not reply you. It will not reply you. If the ping request could not find host, that means okay, that is connectivity not there. You are not able to connect it. To leave that one. So this is the reply only. Otherwise, if anything, this in suppose 2-3 people are working in different place, whether your friend is present or not, or he is putting his computer or not. If you know his computer name, remember that computer name or his IP address. So if you type ping, this one means usually in office, what has to know? Okay, my friend is there or not, what I have to see now? You have to go to DOS command, just his computer name is because I am a system administrator, I know everybody's name or computer name. Just I will type his computer name. It is replying, that means he is there. So I have to telephone and talk to him. That's also is possible. Another is CLS. Another command is ipconfig. What is ipconfig? ipconfig. You see, under ipconfig, so many things has come. You see, what is my system address? IP. This is 192.168.42.154. What is subnet mask? 255.255.255.0. Default gateway, because it's through gateway only I'm going to public, or through this gateway only I'm reaching to you, so that you are able to hear me. So this is the gateway. This is a gateway. This the IP address is this gateway. Through this gateway, I am reaching to you. Remember that. And this is my specific. So each system, suppose you are using the internet from your mobile and able to access all these things. That you are having a smart mobile and it is a small PC. Okay, nobody has come. It's a small PC, so that by working as a small PC, so definitely there is a one IP address is there. That is unique. That's a unique. Suppose I am staying in the Suryanagar, my plot number is 39 Suryanagar, Bhubaneswar. If a world anywhere, if you put it 39 Suryanagar, Bhubaneswar, automatically I will get the letter. Because that is unique home address. Similarly, all the systems have a unique IP address. That is the reason, though no class is there, because you have a different system, different individual, and globally you are recognized as a separate. If same IP address is allotted to two systems, there will be a conflict, and there will be no handshake, and you will not able to connect the wall, or you will not. You will be your network will be disconnected, and saying that IP address conflict. It will message error will give the IP conflict. Means your IP address conflict. Okay, these are the important, these two IP configure. So there is a one, I don't know whether to work or not, I'll see IP config all. All is common. Okay, the same is common. Suppose specific I want to change, there is a command is there. All release, these are the command. I'm going to use, first you have to use the IP config, then all these are the some command is there. And this is the function. This area function is there. Okay, we'll go to next. CLS. Okay. pin of, I think.
Sir, sir, actually there is a question.
Go.
Sir, actually, how to identify basic internet problems with the ping command? माने sir internet problem को sir किन्नी ping command द्वारा मैं identify करते दिया.
नहीं एक्चुअली वो कोने कौन करियो पिंग कमांड रे खाली तमे जानी परियो जति रिप्लाई न देला सपोज गिव रिप्लाई तमे जानी होते सपोज सिस्टम माने खराब अछि इट विल शो यू बे तमे नेटवर्क आसुनी तमे नेटवर्क पाकु जीव काई आसुनी कोन आसुनी हमें तरे नेटवर्क को हमें जाउचे नेटवर्क रे लाइन माने कर जे जो देखो एबे पहुंच केंदी नेटवर्क रे प्रॉब्लम अछि मोर बे नेटवर्क आउचे आई एम एबल टू कनेक्ट यू नाउ just see what is happening here. Suppose your network is there. Whatever is my network, you are able to see here network. What I am using? How from here? How will you know it? What way I am using it? Just double click it. See, I am using Ethernet. I am using here.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. And this is my Wi-Fi is there. I am here. Actually here. I am not really exactly using the Ethernet. What I am doing, I am using this one to my mobile. For mobile, I am tethering to USB and getting the network connection so that I will be I will get a good because it is connected with my cable and this one the mobile through laptop is connected to mobile through a cable USB cable. So
yes,
I am getting this network here. Yeah, I can use this one, but here I'll without when there is Wi-Fi means there is a chance of loss of data, loss of signal. So I'm using the cable. So here it is more I'm getting, so I'm using it. Similarly, there is a mobile hotspot. If I use it, my laptop is there, and mobile is this one is there, so I can do it. Suppose this one, if I put it in double click, what will come? Okay, this configuration is there. Setting here too, you have to see it. So whenever network is not there, suppose you are not able to ping this, that means your system is not connected to networks.
Network, yes, sir.
So that you try to get okay, you have to attend that system, and that network should available that system, and you will find out what is the main problem. After sorting it, once it comes to network means, automatically you can ping it. In that way, ping can help. Okay, then the IP configure, that IP config or that is one, it will show you what is the IP address or the suppose network is conflicting, then you have to release it. Suppose sometimes what happens, very rarely, the system is giving it the IP address. So the dynamic system network is there, so system, we are not giving IP address. System will provide IP address. Suppose two IP address conflict, so what you have to do? So ask them to restart their system. Again, just start it. In that way, you can solve your problem. Okay, some another IP address will get it, and it will not conflict, and you have to access your information.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any other question on network? Anybody want to ask it?
The network topology means?
Topology तो theory class attend करो इटी topology कोई भी theory class रे तीनटा तब कितने प्रकार topology कथा पढ़ी चो
Sir, ring topology, star topology.
Star hybrid topology.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Topology. से ये network topology पढ़ी.
Theory, sir. Theory, sir.
Theory से
How can?
ये देखी तो को कौन पर चल रहा? Hello. Any topology? So I think that is possible. If I have a star topology, means there is a switch there and multiple connection is connected like a star. Boss topology sometimes for actually for interaction never is to give you a boss topology. It is for connecting two institutions. One institution, boss topology is connected to another institution, or one building connected to another building. If the circuit is complete to and fro, then okay, it is a star topology or interaction can be possible for both. So one way, two way transfer. Any other question you want to ask? Network, anything you want to ask? Just also 1 minute, I'm coming. Within 1 minute.
Go. Mr. Dizana. ସେ ଆଗ ଦିନେ ଭଲ ଚଲି କହୁଛ ଭଲ ଲେଖିଥିଲା କୋଉଟା ଭଲ ଖାଉଥାଉ ଦେ ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଭଲ ମିକ୍ସଚର ଖାଇ ଜିନିଷ ଭଲ ଲାଗିବନି ଲୋକ ଆସୁଛି ଯିବା ନାଇଁ ଯାଇ ନା ଖାଉ ଓ ନାଇଁ ଖାଉ ମିକ୍ସଚର ନା ଦିନ ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମିକ୍ସଚର କର ନାଇଁ ମିକ୍ସଚର
ज्योति म्यूट कर दिया ऑडियो
अरे सुमना सुमना सामान्य वीडियो कॉल कर लेना
म्यूट करो एमती साउंड आछि
ज्योति म्यूट कर दिया
ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम रो फंक्शन की कोइ परियो
हेलो अरे भाई तुम नेट रू मार दो देखि दो पुणी सार को जे पचारुछंती गुडे सारा आगु पढै परिबेनी हमर तो सेमिति क्लास होइनी
हां
आ ये
ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम
टोपोलॉजी
फंक्शन मु कहि परिबी कोन हिच प्रॉब्लम हेलो
ये विषय ब्रीफ रे कोई परियो कि सर कौन कोन कहले ब्रीफ रे माने शॉर्ट रे
ସାର୍ ନାହାନ୍ତି ସାର୍ ଲେଫ୍ଟ ହେଇଯାଇଛନ୍ତି
ସାର୍ ନାହାନ୍ତି କି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
ନାହାନ୍ତି
ନେଟୱାର୍କ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ବୋଧେ ହେଇଛି
नहीं फर्स्ट जो
ଆଉଥରେ
क्लास
ପୁଣି
स्टार्ट हो प्रैक्टिकल सेशन है मोर टिके प्रॉब्लम थिला तो अटेंड कर पानी स्टिल अटेंड करे बुझिलानी कि मु सर कथटा मु मझरे भी कहि जे सर सुबुनी बोल से तो सर कहले मोर प्रॉब्लम अछि कहले
रेकॉर्डिंग चलची के मान पता होंतो नहीं
You don't know long division method. Sir, do in front of me. In front of me. No, now. Now by doing, you know, in front of me, while I am. Long division method. Which method you know? Long division method. Any method. Here in your book, which method? Long division or another estimation? Here every method is present. You know in which method? Right. Long division. I know three methods. Okay. You know book. ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ଅଛି।
ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ମ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ହେଇଯାଇଛି।
Okay, my voice has come.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Actually, what happened now, while he's showing the network, so my network has stopped, and there's unable to connect you, and my system is totally disconnected. I am gone out for your meet. Again, I am reconnected, and now we are in safe. So, command life is this problem is there because I have to show the network in the meantime. My network has changed. Okay, so network is over. Anything you want to ask about the network? Any question? Anything? Network. Hello. IP address. Something I given. Some command also I given. Configuration also that is possible I given. So what else you want from network?
Sir, what is integrated service digital network?
Integrated service digital network. You see.
ISDN service.
ISDN.
Uh, Actually, integrated service ISDN. ISDN is a connectivity. Suppose you will get a dedicated line for ISDN. Actually, we are getting from who is giving the ISDN? Anybody is knowing? Our BSNL is giving ISDN service. So you have to get from the ISDN. What is specially is required? Because depending on your network strength, suppose important server and other thing we are putting it on, and 24 hours you want to provide the network to all our server. So, wherever is server is hosting, uninterrupted line is required. That is a dedicated line. So ISDN, you have to subscribe depending on the chat. Suppose you are doing the video conferencing. Minimum video conferencing, the ISDN is required. Suppose let us say some 250 kbps is one ISDN line. Or minimum, you say two ISDN line is required. And at 250 kbps, 500 kbps. Or it is a minimum, sometimes without 5 kbps service dedicated line. What is the function of a dedicated line? ISDN. Means that uninterrupted internet service like telephone line, you will get a using telephone line, you will get a ISDN service. It's uninterrupted. So that is usually used to do for the backup. Suppose what happened now? I am having a what you call that? Some brokers I have a lease I taken it. Some fiber line they are given, and I have an important video conferencing going on. Suppose sometimes I'll get some problem and I'm not able to get that whatever fiber line given is not functioning. So that backup is ISDN line is there. We used to connect the ISDN line and getting whatever it will not ours whatever video conference you are making it will not stop. It will continue and uninterruptedly it will provide this service.
Okay, sir.
Anything else? Network.
Sir, what is circuit switching?
This is tell me. Anything want to say?
What is circuit switching?
And I'm not able to hear so many people.
Sir, what is circuit switching? Circuit switching, what is?
Circuit switching.
He asked about the circuit switching.
Actually, in the architect, design, architect, particularly different, what you call this it is a core of our IT architect. IT architect different type we are actually the concept we are adopting. I think depending on our need and other thing, this kind of thing is required for your actually for network functioning. This kind of switching is required. So different concept is there. Actually, theory, the details will go to theory. Practical, very difficult to cover all these things.
Yes, sir.
That is architect, that internet architect, all will get this kind of switching.
Good evening. Hello. So good evening.
I'm able to. Tell me. अरे को रहिला काहे जा कहले से हम सुनिबी
Without library software, can we maintain the library records within Microsoft Word Excel? Can we
Excel? अरे के से कौन कहूची के बुझिलो अछि मते पचार से मो बुझी पानी से कौन कहलो छी
without library software, can we maintain library
without library software can you maintain the library with Excel? You want to ask same question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You see, usually what is Excel? Excel is a numerical database. It's a handle numerical is maximum very less alphabet, but what text is very less, but it is a numerical database. Certain it's a certain function you can manage with that. But when you ask for the interactive, it means suppose I will issue a book, I have to call this one and change it. It is actually time consuming. It's possible. Suppose a background, and suppose you are an expert and you know how to handle both the text and numerics. So that way, there is a database you have to develop. That's called backend and frontend. Backend, all library data you can put it in Excel. Frontend, by using the .NET or Visual Basic, you can develop your own library software. Because database you got it, which it is certain range. I think Excel is supporting DBMS, so data I can store in Excel. But yourself you have to develop that interactive one using the .NET and Visual Basic. If you know it, so you can develop it. Otherwise, by using the only Excel, certain maybe some 10-20% function you can do it, not 80% function remain like this. Next. just मत ଟିକେ ଛାଡି ଟିକେ ବାକି ଅଛି ଦେଖି ଯେ କୋର୍ସ ଟା ମାନେ ଆମେ parts of a computer gala telecommunication technology using the network gala Windows 10 guide gala DOS gala telecommunication network it is not working. So what I can do again, I will try. If not, then only this one is sound is not reaching you now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sound is coming.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sound komu asuchi?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Asuchi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, just listen.
सर आर क्लासरूम ता आसुनी सर जो
एटा आसुची तो
सर आपन को वीडियो आसुची
Please ask in English.
नहीं whether you are able to hear this voice or not.
Yes,
No,
sir.
this
Able to
video
hear,
you are
sir.
able
No
to see
problem.
it.
Yes, this
Okay,
is
okay, just
audible.
listen.
Sir, sound ଆସୁଛି sir.
Some are getting sound means I think maybe able to. I think you are not able to get from your system.
sir your computer screen is not able to see.
What about others? Others, you are.
No, sir.
What about others? You are able
No,
to see
sir.
the
No, sir.
screen.
No, sir. Did not
No,
see.
sir. No, sir.
Sir आसुनी
No
सर
sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Only voice only voice आसुची.
Yes sir.
କେବଳ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସ୍କ୍ରିନ୍ ଆସୁଛି କିଛି
ଆପଣଙ୍କ voice ଆପଣଙ୍କ screen ଆସୁଛି ଆଉ କିଛି.
Sir.
Sir, right now I able to see your screen, sir.
Huh?
सर ଏବେ सर
Yes
ଆସିଲା
sir. ଏବେ sir ଆସିଲା.
Just ask someone to switch off their. I don't know why. He's putting it on and his children is. Now both.
No sir, no voice
Please
is not coming.
mute album sound.
Nitin madam.
Students, please somebody is mute your sound system.
Somebody is teach your children also.
Okay. Now everybody is able to see the video.
No sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir
sir.
only not audible.
yes sir it is only visual
କେବଳ ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଫଟୋ ଦେଖା ଯାଉଛି ଆଉ କିଛି ଦେଖା ଯାଉନି।
ଦେଖା ଯାଉଛି।
କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ସ୍କ୍ରିନ୍ ସାର୍ ଦେଖା ଯାଉନି।
ଦେଖା ଯାଉନି ନା ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ପା।
second ରେ join କର ଦେଖାଯିବ
ଅଡିଓ ଆସୁନି ସାର୍ ଅଡିଓ ଆସୁନି।
That is your problem. I think some people are able to see both.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
ଦେଖା ଯାଉଛି sir.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍ ସାର୍ ସେଇଟା ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଟାରେ ଦେଖା ଯାଉଛି ସାର୍ କ୍ଲାସରୁମ୍ 3 ରେ ସାର୍ ଦେଖା ଯାଉଛି।
Yes, sir.
Okay, somebody asked for different topology. Just see. Okay, within short time it is very difficult to cover. Just I am avoiding and coming now. Uh, I'm closing this one. Okay, friends, you are not able to see me. So I think that is 35 minutes that the video is there because time also not much is there. One thing I think last class you left it that I want to show you how to make a database using, I was trying this on a problem. And now I'm going to create a database, just see whatever time is there, we will try to complete within that only. All you are now able to see my screen now. I'm starting this DOS command is no more required. Just closing this one. Then the virtual okay. You are able to see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then Windows 7. Because it is a virtual, these virtual machines happen to be in use. Cancel. Okay. No, not able to run it properly. No, I think unable to open that. The machine is not properly functioning. It's giving a trials, trying to do it. No. Or, okay. I think last class I just want to show it, but again this morning it was working. Now at present is not working. So sorry. Actually, that is not functioning. I thought of showing the database and make it within 25 minutes. I'll create a database like a library catalog and I want to do it. I think this is Windows 10 is not supporting. So I made some VMware and the Windows 7. I load it and CDS is on there. It was working yesterday. You know, it has hang and today also it was work. And while you want to show it, it's not working. So that part you will see later on. Any question, I think almost all whatever possible, you know, within short time it's very, very difficult to complete ICT part. And that is most important for you. You know, this is the most important, but a practical due to these situations, only one class. So whatever possible, I try to given it. And you want to ask, you have any doubt on ICT, so I will create it. I think first you should be clear about more that class when you started. I inform you. You should know about IT and ICT. Anybody is having doubt on IT and ICT? One by one, you can tell me. IT and ICT. Difference or any doubt you are having it? Not there. Okay, then you ask any question.
Sir, what is information technology in simple means it is not having communication, only information technology.
No, no, actually, whenever, suppose let us say, always you're talking about library automation, but it is a computation. It's a computation of library resources. The automation computer application is for your library resources. Whatever library resources there, it is available to your user. That's what you did it. Then you are the library automation immediate. Suppose library automation it will not reach to your people. So what is the use of library automation? That means whatever this output will come, it should be communicated. So everywhere, communication is playing a major role. Suppose you are talking digital lab, all the information will be digitized and it's not available to your users. That is not, you are not able to communicate. So when that communication importance has come, information technology importance is there. But earlier, communication was actually silently is working. Just to give the emphasis, give emphasis for communication in IT, that IT is renamed to ICT. Remember that. IT is renamed to ICT, that is information communication technology, just to emphasize on communication. So this is the difference. Otherwise, there is no difference between IT and ICT.
Sir, only communication is the adding.
No, communication just emphasize, just to show that whatever information will have it should communicate. Or interaction should be there. That's the reason only the communication is playing a major role. Just see, earlier nobody is knowing about to mail. Now mail is important. How many times you are opening per day? This is one kind of communication.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what is reprography?
Reprography.
Yes, sir.
Reprography nowadays people are forgetting. But most of the reprography job you are doing using your phone. Suppose something you are like, there's something you are liking, why you are taking photograph. If something you can communicate other thing, you have to store it. All these are reprography work. Reprography is suppose your Xerox. Or earlier we used to do microfilm also doing. There is a microfilm reader also there. Nowadays it's multiplying. It is a multiplying certain out or certain service you want to give it to your user. In different part. They all part come reprography. Now it is so easily available. Because one document is there and you like it, okay, the journal document is good, immediately your mobile is there. As you scan a mobile, you are scanning all the details and sending it to your friends. Or you are keeping for your own purpose. So frequently you are using. So you are not emphasis doing reprography. Earlier it was not there. Very rare. Xerox machine is there. Xerox machine will come with so many steps. It has come out. The microfilm also there. Camera is there. Tell me.
Sir, micrography means?
Micrography means you see nowadays our storing capacity is so high. We are keeping digital information. So micrography is not coming to be there. The micrography means that is a microfilm reader is there. It's called what you call one proceeding I seen. It was 300 pages. Just come two microfilm. It has come entire 300 pages. Now for that special reader also required. This reader and it will that reader it is connected to a printer or there is a screen is there. Then it will reflect on your wall and you are able to read that document. But nowadays we are not using, so that part is gone now because our storage has increased because whatever your mobile you are carrying, you are also now 64 GB, 128 GB you are carrying this storage. And so many data you are storing in your hard disk. There is a portable hard disk has come. So some trillion you are using, some 1 trillion, 2 trillion. It has come to some 5 trillion hard disk portable. you are carrying with you so many trillion TB. It's called TB. Trillion. Tell.
Sir, what is e-publishing? Describe its different categories, please.
You see, always the publication is one is a free publication, another is a price publication. If you categorize, generally free publication is are coming with it. Generally, the free publication are coming as a your in PDF format, and it will reach to you, and you can access the information. Price publication is a hard copy also there and soft copy also there. What you are seeing. Soft copy means you will pay it, and that link they will give it, and you are able to access online. Otherwise, if you not have accessing online, then the hard copy you are getting it and collecting, and you are storing in your library. And nowadays, so many societies are there because that cost is come down. If you publish some document in e-publishing, the cost will be very, very less or negligible. So that's why they are putting that whatever document they are actually arranging and putting converting in PDF format, and they are providing free service. And okay, it's well, like that is depending on your output or type of output. As a publisher is now is doing it whatever need, depending on need. Policy also playing a major role. Some societies there, they don't want to make money and they want to give service their professional. They freely they can provide it. And some society no, they want to survive. They want to, some minor money, some minimum money. They will you'll be a member. Then only you can access. That is called in particularly this digital era. It's called that transparent information. Transparent information means you have to click it and get it. That's called transparent. If it is not transparent, means suppose you could click it, okay, you will be a member, then you can access. Or you have to pay for this, you will be a member for this per page, you have to pay, then only you can access. Okay, anything else?
Sir, protocol for library, sir. Protocol for library.
Okay, what is protocol? First, understand the protocol. Protocol is nothing but a set of rules, or it's a set of function should follow it. Which the first function, second function, third function, fourth function. It is it is a certain rule you have to follow. Certain function is follow. That's why it is called set of rules. Let's say that one should work fast, then followed by two. Two is completed, then three will start. Like that is a protocol is there. And in the office also protocol is there. First, actually, the bottom level, suppose one clerk has to prepare a note and other thing. Then it will give to your section officer. Section officer will forward to administrative officer. Administrative officer will give to director, and it is approved. It's a protocol is followed. So in the library protocol, certainly there is a service protocol or function protocols. If you say library function protocol, first what will come? Anything will come means it's where your accession register is first protocol. Once accession register will be entered, then it will go to technical session for processing. Technical processing is cataloging and your classification number. Once this is over, then it will go to library stock. Library stock, what will go? What will be happen? And this book or material is available for users. User can read it or can issue it. Okay, these are some other library function protocols. Similarly, the protocol if you for a library services, but it's about then it is coming to what type of service you are providing. Based on that only you have to protocol, you have to fix it. Anything?
Sir, what is the difference between programming language and markup languages?
See, programming language is all right. Let's say if it's a computer programming programmer is there, he'll make it. Markup language actually is not a programming language. It is a page layout. Means output will show you that HTML format you are using, that is called markup language. Means it will be a page layout. The data will display like this. It is not a program. whatever other language is there, basic, then your C++, whatever the called programming language. You have to design. Then there is come your hardware programming, then system programming. That's a different. But the markup language is totally different than the programming language. It is a page layout design language. Tell me, anything else? Pile, pochara. How
to develop a micro procedure system? Micro procedure system.
And a micro procedure system for what? It is a programming language. Micro procedure for micro procedure. Whenever procedure, micro procedure, what context you are asking? Tell me. Actually, procedure usually used for the programming language. It's a procedure. Procedure is there. You have to write. While programming, you are writing. Procedure is there. Micro means actually generally that a procedure write for the computer. We call that micro procedure.
Hello.
Tell me.
Yes, sir. Please explain Linux feature.
Linux features. You see,
Sir, it's open source operating system software.
No. Actually, Linux is morning. When class started, I talking about WS. What is WS? Window operating system. What is a window operating system? It is the OS for an operating system. So,
yes, sir.
So many operating system is there. What is the role of an operating system? Role of an operating system has to interact between you and your system. Suppose I am able to working with a laptop means here OS is interface, and for that maybe that WS is your interface, maybe Linux is a interface, and a system of that is a software OS called system, usually used in Apple computer. So that is also maybe OS. Now different OS is coming. But which is popular? Popular two are majorly popular because the maximum either you are using Windows system, that is your WS, or you are using the Linux system. Linux is an operating. That means it is a both are multi-users. Here, DOS whenever there is single user there. But when Windows 95 has come and the system OS of that is Apple computer, that is one has both are multi-user. Multi-user concept when it has come, when all the system are in network, the multi-user started. For operating system like Windows and other things, you have to pay a lot. Suppose if you choose Linux, that is a freely available. For little bit price from a certain brand name or the thing, you get it Ubuntu or this thing, you have to pay a little some money, and that is affordable. That's affordable. Another problem is whenever within WS, there is a chance of affecting virus. So many antivirus are developed to protect the WS. But usually people will say, if you work in your Linux system, if you work with the Linux system, there is a chance of a virus attack or your computer is affected. It's very, very less. Reason is there, if you compare both user, 80% user are using the WS or Windows system, only 20% are doing the Linux. So whatever virus people are developing or the virus is coming, it is a maximum is developed for Windows. So your Windows is affected. It's a Linux. Linux earlier it was actually it is a command prompt like Unix. Unix here is a command prompt you are working. Nowadays, see so many things has come into Linux, just like a Windows interface. It's a menu driven, user friendly interface are developed. That is called what is that effect? what you see is what you get. That's the concept of what you see is what you get. Like that Windows and other things you interacting. Same way, Linux also is also possible. Unix user is reduced because the maximum people who are using the Unix now they have gone for the Linux. So very few people are using now Unix. The major work earlier it has done for the Unix system. Now if you presently if you see most of the what you call that is IT administrator, they want to use their server as a Linux Linux platform, so that nobody can track their activities, nobody can hack their computer. So that way Linux coming. In the future, suppose your library, you will have a server. So definitely you have to go for the Linux server and the Windows server. Windows server is easy to run it, but if you see the live and if you see the security, then you definitely will prefer the Linux server. Any question, anything?
Sir, what are the
date and time? Why it is important for search engine? Sir,
hello, I'm not able to. Now it's a time.
Important.
I think some sound is coming. I'm not able to hear you.
Sir, actually, sir, my question is.
Sir, date and time.
Date and time. Date and time
Sir, actually, my question is.
Why
what are the functions
important for search engine? Internet search engine.
You see.
Hello.
This is for any software.
Sir.
Software other thing. When the time is that time is a function, date is a function. It's a function. Suppose whatever suppose it is suppose that software is depending on your date and time. You know the important
date and time. Why it is important for search engine, sir? Sir, internet search by
internet search by date and time का कहीं की दरकार है? क्या तो? Hello. इंटरनेट सर्च इंजन पे कहीं की डेट एंड टाइम ता दरकार है.
हेलो.
जल्दी तमे डेट एंड टाइम न तो कोन चलिबो नहीं सर्च इंजन ता. छड़ा.
Sir, actually, what are the functions in ICT-based library system? Sir, actually, functions of sir कौन अच्छी ठीक सर जाने पे जल्दी.
नहीं ICT-based ICT-based function माने इतने क्वेश्चन आते हैं. ऐसे कौन आता है library automation?
Yes sir.
सर कहीं की तरफ.
Yes sir, automation question.
Automation concept means that whatever the function is there for your access and register function is there. Wait a minute, access and register is there. Then it is followed by your technical processing. You can add both your classification number and the catalog also. You can assign to basically catalog one output will be created. Then major function is issue return.
Yes sir. Circulation. Sir, circulation.
That is circulation. Circulation is major function. Apart from that, the most important function is your this journal handling. How the journal will be journal will be issued. Then after 1 year, how will be going to bind it? Binding. It's a major component of this binding. And suppose the the library stack verification. This thing is a major, some of the most important function of your library automation. And not only that, if some digital resources are there, it should be integrated with catalog. Somebody digital resources available in your library, through that catalog they can access it.
Yes sir. Sir, actually serial management पे sir किंती कौन facility था sir?
Actually, that is our library software critical function serial management. Can I frequency change journal to journal? Some are monthly, some are bi-monthly, some are annually, some bi-annually. So this problem are there. So for that, actually, not only tracking, somebody entering the journal they enter and to issue it also. So that library policy also required whether the loose issue you can issue it or it's after binding only you can issue. So loose issue is somebody interested, they should get a copy of that particular article. Otherwise, the loose issue to issue that journal condition will go because it multiple handle will go. It's all is depend on library automation your policy.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, sir, যেটা আমি স্যার মানে লাইব্রেরি অটোমেশন মানে କରୁଛେ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇବ୍ରେରୀ ଅଟୋମେସନ କରୁଛେ ସାର୍ actually ସେଥିପାଇଁ କି ସାର୍ ଆମର ସାର୍ ସର୍ଭର ବି ଦରକାର ପଡୁଛି ତ ସାର୍ ସେ ସର୍ଭର ସାର୍ ଇନଷ୍ଟଲେସନ ଟା କୋଉ ପ୍ରୋସେସ ରେ ହୁଏ ସାର୍ ଆମର ସପୋଜ କୋହାର ସଫ୍ଟୱେୟାର ଆମେ ଆଣିବୁ ସାର୍ ସେ ଯୋଉ ସେ ସଫ୍ଟୱେୟାର ଇନଷ୍ଟଲ ହୁଏ ତା ପ୍ରୋସିଜର ଟା କଣ ସାର୍
ଶୁଣ there is a instruction manual is there and always remember that there is a two-way. Whenever you are installing one software, there is a two concepts. First one is your backend. Backend one database will be there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then front-end. Front-end means you are retrieving information for database. That you have to create it.
Yes, sir.
So first you have to make a data server. All
yes,
data will be stored there. Then you have to make an interface by using so whatever you are taking, why having both on backend one actually DBMS is working.
Yes, sir.
And this ready-made front end you got it. So
yes,
whatever instruction you have to make it that your server should be compatible with that, and based on that instruction you can install your Koha. So always before installing, you first get the manual. Manual is most manual. You make it read one by one into it. After reading, some people I was telling morning. I was telling just first hour. I'm telling about the batch file. You have to make a batch file and run it, and everything will be installed. Whatever you have to do with manual, you have to make a batch file. Like morning, I was saying different DOS command. So automatically, this command will take care of installing your Koha.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
I think now it's 8. All are requested to write their name and roll number. I'm going to close it and record that whatever recording this class was there. Now I'm stop recording. Okay, all of saying.
Yes, sir.